To put files onto a USB stick, first of all, put the USB stick into your computer. This is Windows 10, but Windows 7 or other computers will also recognize the USB stick when you plug it in. On Windows 10, it opens up what's called File Explorer, which is this yellow folder down here. If it doesn't by any chance open it up when you put the USB stick in, put the pointer down on the File Explorer yellow folder, left click once, and it will open the File Explorer, and from here we can see the USB stick. So over here on the left hand side, USB drive path E, which is the letter E there, is our USB stick. Sometimes the USB might be named after the manufacturer's name of the stick, if it's SanDisk or Kingston for example. In this case it just says USB-E. If I click on that by clicking onto it once, here we can see that the folder is empty, there's nothing on this USB drive. If we want to put a file on the USB stick from our computer, we can go to, for example, Pictures on our computer up here, left click onto Pictures. We've got a few photographs here, but let's select the Everest photograph. We're going to put this onto the USB stick. So I'm going to highlight it first by clicking onto it once, left click once onto it. I'm going to right click, a menu will appear. Then what we're going to do is scroll down to Copy, and we're going to left click once onto Copy, and that will copy that. We can then move over to the USB stick, left click once onto the USB stick, and in this space here, if we left click once onto the space, then right click, select Paste, left click onto Paste, and that pastes the photograph onto the stick. And if you now take your stick out of your computer, that file will now be on your USB stick.